Hello there. I got this new camera, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And what really impressed me about it was a lot of things, but the low light capability was so good. And my A camera is so bad at low light. And so that was one of the many reasons I got it. And I thought it would be fun, since I'm going to be leaving Venice soon, to take a rollerblade trip down the Venice Boardwalk all the way down to the Venice Pier. No cuts, one straight shot on my rollerblades. I don't know how long it's going to take, maybe 10 minutes. We're going to go to the end of the Venice Pier, which is the edge of the world. How's the image look? Is it beautiful? I am filming at 4K, 60 frames a second. So I'm not going to save this footage, it's going to be big. So be sure to have it on that. All right. We are at the boardwalk. Take a look, and we're going to go. I'm going to put on the safety wrist strap so I don't drop it. Hang on. All right, here we are, and we're flying. We've got some lovely homeless people here. Don't you just love them? Scum. Garbage. Got a car coming. Thank you. Excuse me. Venice Ale House. Ooh, helicopter. What are these cars doing here? What the heck? In the daytime, on the weekends, this will be packed, bustling with activity. People selling stuff over here. This surface here is so smooth, it's like ice. This could be my final journey to the Venice Pier, because I'll be moving. The freak show used to be here. Very sad when that left. Thanks to Snapchat. Everybody hates Snapchat. T-shirt shop. More trash, homeless. Shouldn't even call them homeless, just call them drug addicts. These weird umbrella things. Ooh, that shirt store's open. Today is a Tuesday, by the way. Tuesday night. Sidewalk Cafe, this has been here forever. Over here, that's where the skate park is. Beyond those trees. Random pole. It always feels a bit grimy and trashy down over here. The Venice sign is right to our left, down at the end over there. And that's the statue. You can't really see it, it's too dark. Basketball courts up here. Oh, it stinks over here. Oh my God. There's the basketball court. Rooftop bar hotel, we missed it. Who cares? Venice Muscle Beach, right here. There it is. It's an outdoor gym. This place is kind of cool. It's a upside down McDonald's, McCharlie's. I haven't had it. The pickleball courts. I think that's my neighbor. Woo, right. Candy store. So how's it look? Does it look cool? I'm not in low light mode. I'm in regular mode. There is a separate mode where you can put it in low light and it'll brighten things up a bit, but I am not in that. Alright, coming up here, I'm gonna have to get over to the bike path. I think I actually missed my entrance. God damn it. Alright, I guess we'll just go through, because this is not a sidewalk that's conducive to blading. Take a look at these very expansive homes, I'm sure. They're all kind of contemporary and boring, modern. The sand, oh jeez, the sand is really spilling over here. Okay, here we go. Look at this cute couple. Okay, I'm gonna just take a shortcut over here. Okay, on the bike path. I couldn't take it anymore. And to the right we have the beach, of course. And over there, that's the pier, the edge of the world that will be going on. How are we doing? 9 minutes. My guess was 10. So that's about it. Ooh, a bunch of runners. All right, we're in a parking lot. The Venice Whaler, famous bar there. The cool kids hang out there. This is the Venice Pier. There's nothing exciting on this one. It's just a fishing pier. And there's runners coming down. You can really fly on this. like to do here. Here we are at the end of the world. We'll take a peek over. Looking back, looks nice. Looks good. We'll go all the way to the end, and we'll peek out at the distance. But you haven't gotten to see me this whole time. I'm so sorry. I didn't think you'd want to. And that's it. We've made it to the end. The moon's out full tonight. Can you see that? And that's the end of our journey. The video's not over yet. I'm gonna do one more thing. Stay tuned. It's gonna be awesome. But time to go home now. I'll see you in a sec. Is it recording?
Yep.
Here's the other thing I wanted to show you. If you saw our wedding show or the wedding, I used them in here. This should look really cool in 4K 60 frames. How's that look, yeah?
Nice. Very cool.
What?
Ah!
What happened? Stop it for a sec. Alright, that one ran out of battery, so we'll have to try this again later. We got one. Does it look
Womp
cool?
womp. Very cool.
Alright, we're trying this again. 2 days later. Hello, welcome. Hello, Ryan. Hey, get Ryan. Ryan came to see. I'm just demonstrating for the camera. Take a look in.
Wow.
Are you impressed?
Do that again.
Yeah, how do you
That
do
last one.
What?
You know how to do this.
The one that goes up high.
Like that?
Yes, there we go. And again. Very nice.
Whoa!
Oh, jeez.
I missed that.
Careful there.
This is going on the channel, Ryan. That's why I wanted you to be here. Oh, what the
Again!
hell?
I think there's something wrong with that
We gotta
one.
figure this out. All right, well, we got enough in. Do you want to say something before we go?
Yes, watch the Area 51 video. Again, if you already saw, watch it a second time.
All right.
Okay.
Goodbye, everyone.